What do you say to those who still discredit the commission and its work?
Let's start with Mr. Zuma. Interestingly, there is a clip of him, I don't know whether in YouTube or where, I can't remember, where he is addressing his supporters, I think, outside. I don't know whether it was outside the commission when he had appeared before the commission, or it was outside Pietermaritzburg High Court when he had gone there for his criminal matters, where he is talking about the commission. And he is speaking in Zulu and English. And one of the things he says is that he had told them that some of them would regret when they were pushing him to appoint this commission. So he says in that clip, I told them that some of them will regret. And then he says in Zulu, ngabatshela ukuthi abanye babo bayokhala.